All right guys, so I wanted to get up close and personal with the items that I did remove that were on top of the box. Of course, we have is the beautiful handle. It's so nice. And with this iFloor One S3, it does come with 2 of everything. So it does come with those 2 holders right there, and then the charger, the solution, another filter, the brush, and another roller. I didn't want to take that roller out to get dust on it. And there is the stand that it comes with. I haven't removed all the stickers and paper from the actual Tineco, so I'm going to set this up. Before we get started, on the box, once you open it, there is a quick start guide. Looks like 1 click for the handle. It tells you how to apply the solution, how to remove the solution container, the on button, and then how to charge. So it looks very simple, so let's put it together. We got it in. It is very light. I am loving the size of this. So excited. All right, guys, I want to get up close with the Tineco Floor One S3. It is so beautiful. I love it so much. Mine already has grass on it. I do have a golden doodle, and she brings in so much grass. So anyway, over here on this side, it is showing instructions on how to remove, rinse, dry, and reinstall the roller, which I love that. And this little tank right here, there's that other filter. Awesome. And there's instructions on every piece, which I love that. So how to empty the dirty water tank, rinse, dry, and reinstall. And it's so easy to click in and click off. Okay, this other tank right here is for the solution, and then there is some more instructions on what to do and how much solution to apply. So I haven't turned this on just yet. Okay, so let's turn it on together. Here is the power button. So I'm learning as I go. So let's turn this on and see what it does.
Auto mode.
Ooh, auto mode. She sounds so nice. Okay, so over here, this tells you the battery level. Oh my gosh, it connects to Wi-Fi. Okay, and then self-cleaning. So the main reason why me and my husband chose this one was, of course, it is so nice. But we saw the reviews on how well it cleaned, but the main reason why I wanted this one was because the self-cleaning that it does. And like, who wants to have to clean their vacuum after they just vacuum? Does that make sense? It's just an extra thing. And I know, like, moms, hello, I know you agree with me. It's just one extra thing we have to clean, and I don't want to do that. So if it cleans itself, I want it. All right. And then over here, I went ahead and connected the charging base to the wall right there. Okay, so before we do go ahead and give it a try, I wanted to go ahead and also tell you whenever the brush roll is tangled, it will go ahead and notify you. When the dirty water tank is full, it will go ahead and notify you. And then the clean water tank, when that is empty, it will go ahead and notify you. So I am very impressed how easy and how light this is. And it is a self. I have no cleaning solution in there right now. It's telling me it's empty. Like I was saying,
Water tank empty. Please refill water and cleaning solution.
Okay. Like I was saying, it pushes itself. So you don't even have to push hard at all. It honestly was controlling my hand and going. So I'm very, very impressed. This is the cleaning solution that it does come with. It does say all you need is a cap full and then you just fill up the rest to the max line with water. That's what I have done. So let's go ahead and put this in. Let's go ahead and bring it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Clicks in. Here is the clean water tank. All right. All right, guys, so now that we got the tanks in order, let's go ahead and hit that power button for about a second.
Auto mode.
Let me turn it around so we can read it together. It is on auto mode. In order to get it going, go ahead and pull the handle down. Automatically starts going. If you have those tough stains, go ahead and hit that Auto Max button. As you can see, it goes to Auto Max for those really tough stains. And it gives it more power. In order to stop it, just go ahead and put your foot here, pull the handle up, it automatically stops. So I went ahead and shook off our rug so it looks really dirty. This is our bathroom, so let's see how it works. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
Auto mode.
Alright guys, so overall it cleaned my bathroom floor pretty well. I did notice it didn't really like picking up my long hair, so that was the only downfall. And the other thing is it doesn't get close to the edges, but overall there is a little bit of water still left. But of course, like if you were to mop, it does leave a little bit of water. You can go in, hand dry it, or just let it dry on its own. We wanted to do 2 of everything. We have ketchup, mustard, peanut butter. We want to do auto mode and then max mode and see if there is a difference. Let's go ahead and get it going.
Auto mode.
Woo! That's one swipe. Max. Go off to auto. I want it to be a peanut butter because peanut butter is really thick. Auto. Oh. Stubborn. Let's see how many tries. 2, 3, 4. Go over here to max. Still some residue. Max mode. You can feel the power. 2. Some got on the wheels. Go ahead and get a napkin and test it out. All right, so we're just gonna go across. Let's come over here. I know there was still some peanut butter left. Oh, it looks pretty clean. Not bad. So it looks like the remaining peanut butter that kept getting dragged was from the wheels. So I just wanted to show you really quick. You may have to clean them if it is really dirty and really thick. Before we do the self-cleaning, let's go ahead and remove the dirty water tank. As you can see, it is filthy. It's gross. Now that we have the dirty water tank empty, let's go ahead and stand it on the power stand.
Charging has commenced. Auto detecting. Whether to run self-cleaning cycle. Please begin self-cleaning cycle.
All right, now she's telling me to start the self-cleaning cycle, which we just hit that button right there.
Start self-cleaning. Cleaning brush and roller. Cleaning debris channel.
Going full max.
Odor detected. Deep cleaning. Self-cleaning cycle complete. Please clean dirty water tank and debris channel.
All right, so let's remove this. Pretty
Self-cleaning
dirty.
cycle complete. Please clean dirty water tank and debris channel.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impression of the Tineco Floor One S3 wet, dry, cordless, and lightweight vacuum. Highly recommend it, only because the self-cleaning, it definitely comes in handy because you don't want to take apart each thing and clean it. It's just, you're already doing enough just vacuuming, so why having to go in there and just clean it? Like, it's just too much. So floors do dry very quickly. I would agree with that. Streak free, which I would agree with that. We haven't seen any streaks on the floor or even in my bathroom. I did hear that you can use vinegar instead of the solution, so you could give that a try if you don't like any smells, but that solution smells amazing. It smells like laundry detergent, so I really like it. Only negatives I would say is that it doesn't hit those corners and edges really well like I would like. There is a space in between, and I'm pretty sure it's because the roller doesn't go all the way. That's what I'm thinking. The other thing is it doesn't pick up my long hair very well either. And I have really long hair, but that is the only downfall, the only two negatives I have. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. I highly recommend it. I will post a link down in the description where you guys can find it. I did get this on Amazon. But other than that, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one, our house. Bye, guys.